Hello, and in this station, we're going to talk about learning management systems, otherwise known as LMS. We're going to give you a brief tour through Schoology, the district-supported MyBig Campus, Wikispaces, and LMS, aka Moodle or e-learning. So let's get started. In this LMS, this one's e-learning, what's great about using these LMS system or any LMS system is that it helps to create a systemic learning environment for our students. This way, from year to year, you're not going to have to recreate the wheel, but rather set your LMS system up and readjust or update things as you go along throughout the course of the year. So you'll notice in this e-learning site, we've chunked things into blocks. This is a great idea if you're trying to set things up in terms of modules like we have here, or in say English classes where you have various different units. In our math class, we set ours up based off of different chapters or the math units that we're working on. In most LMS systems, including this one, students are able to take their tests, submit assignments, and find out what their daily homework assignments are. Let's show you another one. This is the Wikispaces. In the Wikispaces LMS, a lot of teachers are using this merely because it's a very easy system or easy site to use. In order for you to edit items, you'll simply log in, click the edit button, which I clicked on here. I can type whatever adjustment I need to make, click save, and it's there for all of my students to see. In addition, I have seen some teachers have their students create an individual page for themselves, like I have on the left. This is a group project, but students can create individual pages for themselves. They can upload their assignments, and then you can merely just go to your Wikispaces, grade each student's page, and move on from there. It also serves as a very nice e-portfolio. Another one is MyBig Campus, which is the newly adopted district-supported LMS system. To join MyBig Campus, you'll go to mybigcampus.com, type in your username and ID, similar to what you do on PowerSchool. Make sure to select your school and go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, you'll have access to three different columns. You have your left column, which is your navigation panel. You have your center column, which is where you'll get your updates. And on the right, you'll have simple notifications or quick access to your groups. What I wanted to show you on this site, which is very powerful, is the library. If you click on the left-hand side where it says library, you have access to things called bundles. You also have access to various different websites, assignments, assessments, and videos that you can't normally access via YouTube. You can use this as a portal to access any video through YouTube. To dig a little bit further into what a bundle is a grouping of items that you need, say for each unit or for each chapter, where you can find the bundle online. For example, if we search chemistry, we're able to find various different videos of chemistry, as it states right here. You have websites, and let's see if we can find a bundle. So in this bundle for matter, this person, Catherine, set up a bundle and has shared it and made it public. In this bundle, she has set up your Act 1, where you're responsible for creating a prediction, showing evidence, and analysis. She also included a PDF document, some homework assignment, a PowerPoint, and a video, which makes it a lot more interactive, finishing with a schoolwork assignment. So you can set this up and assign it to your students as you see fit, which is similar to what LMS does with hiding blocks. Another thing you can do with MyBig Campus is view various different videos, for example, Math NBC Learn, which will give you otherwise blocked videos based off of current events that you can use with your students. Last but not least is Schoology. Schoology is a LMS system that I'm currently using in our classroom, and in this LMS system, I am able to assign homework where students are able to check it on their calendar instantly. They're able to take all of their quizzes, post assignments, submit assignments, and communicate with their classmates if they have questions. Now, this also has a resources site where I can click on resources and go to public. And from here, I can filter my searches based off of what I'm looking for. For example, foreign language. And these are all free resources that people have made public that I can use. The other part that I like about this LMS system, and it's probably the most powerful for me, especially in a math classroom, is the ability to assign very robust quizzes that have a very powerful equation editor. So if I click on a assessment, I can click on this icon in the upper right hand corner where the graphs are, and it will show me a breakdown of how my students did. So I can see that there was 114 grades, 114 students took this test. I can see the highest, the max amount of points, the highest grade, the lowest, and also gives me this really great graph breaking it down so I can see this graphically. In addition, I can grade each student's question, and I can see the statistics. So I can see what most students chose and what questions they got wrong. I can also go in and view responses and grade each question individually so I can find a trend easier in what my students have done. I can override points. I can also add a comment to specific questions on each student's test that they'll see, again, under each question. So all of these trainings are available through sandy.net/ERO. And in addition to being offered by the district, they do offer workshop rate or workshop pay for you as a teacher who takes it. The only one that is not going to be available is the Schoology, but maybe we can discuss that in part 2 of our series. That's all for now. I'll see you guys next time.